Thank you. Piggy. Yes, Carol? I think someone is looking at us. Someone is looking at us. Who is looking at us? Let me see her. A monster? No, it is a reader. Reader is reading us. How is the reader reading us? The reader is reading these word bubbles. We are in the book. We are in the book. That is so cool. We are in the book. We are in the book. We are being read. We are being read. Oh, I have an idea. I can make the reader say a word. You can make the reader say a word. I can. If the reader reads out loud. That is a good idea. I'm saying that is a funny idea. Here I go. Banana. Ha 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 ha. Did you hear that? The reader said banana. Oh, the reader said it again. This is hard one. This is the easy one. Banana. So funny. Do you want to turn before the ants? Ants! Double ants! Yes, all looks ants. When will you look ants? I will look. Page 57. Page 57. Mommy is scared with this book.
No.
It is page 46 now. Now it is page 47. This book is going too fast. I have more to give. More words. More jokes. More bananas. I have a good idea. That is a good idea.